and welcome to another Year 3 and Year 4 celebration assembly. This is to celebrate all the children that achieved an Emerald Award last week for their brilliant online learning, and some of those children that are in school, some of you are in school learning as well. So really well done. Keeping up the great effort. I know we're not many weeks left now until the summer, so keep that work coming in, and it will really help when we hopefully come back in September. So again, a huge well done to everyone who submitted any online learning this week. Really impressed. So we're going to start off with Year 3. Lister. First emerald goes to Hussein. Well done, Hussein. Manasvita, well done. Gabriella, another emerald, well done. Jatin, 2, well done to you. Jaden, well done Jaden for your work in school. Bassett, well done for your online learning. And another one for Hussein again this week, really well done. Must have been one from Miss Raya and one from either maybe myself or Miss Shah or another teacher, so really well done. Moving on to Nightingale. First one's for Ameld, well done Ameld for your online learning this week. Fariha, really good effort from you, well done. Well done to Poojan, really impressed. Well done, Poojan. Adrian, some great online learning from you this week. Joshua, well done to you. Sabeda, again this week, well done Sabeda. Danashiri, again another emerald, well done this week. Hira, well done to you. Maha, well done for your online learning. And another one for Adrian, really impressed, well done to you too. Moving on to Year 3, Seacole. First one's for Jacob, and again this week, well done. 2 last week, another one this week. Zachariah, really good effort from you, well done. Dennis, it's a big improvement in your work, so really well done. Amir, well done for keeping submitting your work. Jaheem, well done to you this last week for your online learning. And Alana, really impressed to you too, well done Alana. Moving on to Parks. First one's for Cole, again this week, well done. Ryan, again really well done, another emerald for you. Habiz, well done Habiz.